So here we go. We're getting ready, packing the car. I feel like we've been planning this for so long, but as you see, I'm wearing a ski hat. Hopefully when we get down there, we won't be wearing the ski hat. So being from New York, the worst part of our trip is always getting off Long Island. We left at about 10:15, it's 12 o'clock, and we're still in New York. Let me show you what it looks like. Here we are at our first rest stop. Food break. We usually get like fast food, or Jill usually makes the food and then we eat it in the car. We're gonna try something different. We're actually stopping. We're gonna hang out for a little while.
I'm eating a yogurt.
Wow.
Right now?
Any thoughts on the new campsite?
It's beautiful. Nicest campground we've ever been to.
Seriously?
Cheers.
Seriously?
I haven't seen the campground yet. Best view.
I'd say best view. What are you doing, Jet?
I'm making an Easter egg.
Cool.
Hold on, Jet.
Right.
Oh! Okay, now you gotta wait. Let's see what it looks like. Now you gotta wait.
Okay.
You gotta let it sit.
It's gonna flow.
Roddy, you dropping one in?
Yes.
Roddy. Dropping one in, Rye?
Yeah.
Oh,